Today we are going to answer the very important question of what is the best way to eat soup. So this question is going to be answered by using a circle. So as you can see, there's a circle here that is divided into equal parts. This is a little bit like the clock we talked about yesterday. Each part represents 1/12 of the circle because there are 12 equal pieces around this circle. So if you remember, like a clock, when we follow the natural direction of a clock, we call that clockwise. And when we go in the opposite direction, we call that counterclockwise. So today you're going to start at the top of the circle, which is where the 12 would be on a clock. And you're going to fill in the letters that are going to answer the question by following these directions. So it says the first direction is to turn 1/12 counterclockwise. So if we start at the beginning and we go counterclockwise 1/12, that would take us to W. All right, so now for the second turn, we're going to go 5/12 of a turn clockwise. Again, we're going to go back to the starting position, and now we're going to go 5/12 clockwise. 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12 would take us to the letter I, and that would be what we put here. And you're going to keep going all the way down until you answer the question of what is the best way to eat soup. And then you're going to send me your answer. All right, the next part of your assignment today is to answer some questions thinking about a clock and the number of degrees that equate to minutes on a clock. We talked about this a little bit yesterday. So you might want your clock face in front of you. And if you recall that there are from in a circle, when you go all the way around the circle, that is 360 degrees. And so you're going to think about how, for instance, if you were to go 30 minutes on a clock, that would take you from the 12 to the 6, that would be half of a circle, and half of a circle would be 180 degrees. So these questions have to do with a clock face. You might want to keep your clock face out with you. There are 8 questions here, 9 questions actually. I would like you to try all 9 of them. And again, you can send me your answers on email or in Google Classroom, or you can fill in the paper and upload it to Google Classroom. Any way will work. Okay? All right, good luck.